welcome back to my channel. I'm Chimdima Melikam. I'm a data analyst and also a front-end web developer. I call myself a tech professional because I'm versatile in the tech field. And today I'm going to be showing you one of those tools I use virtually every day as a tech professional to get my job done easily. So one of those tools I use every day is a screen recorder. So if you have been looking for a screen recorder to record your screen, I'm here for you today, okay? So, and the screen recorder is free. So oftentimes, people complicate things when they are looking for screen recorder. Some people even pay for a subscription. That's not bad. If you want to, if you have the money and you want to splurge on such things, that's not a problem. But if you are looking for a free screen recorder that does the job well and fantastic, then this video is for you. I'm going to be introducing you to this free recorder that can help you record your screen and also help you take screenshots of your screen of your laptop as well. And the screen recorder is simply a sniping tool. So if you go to your browser and you search for screen recorder for Windows, you're going to see that Windows has an excellent pre-installed screen recorder, and that excellent pre-installed screen recorder is called the sniping tool. So it's pre-installed already for you. You don't need to install it by yourself. If you have a Windows laptop, you don't necessarily need to install it. It comes with your laptop, okay? So all you need to do is to search for it among your programs and then open it. So you can see mine is here at on my tax bar. So if yours is not pinned on your tax bar, you can search for it by simply typing the name sniping tool. All right, so this is it here. So when you click on it, it opens. All right, so you can see, like I said, one good thing I love about the sniping tool is that it is quite easy to use. So when you click on it, it just opens the small interface. All you need to do, if you want to record a video, you make sure that you click on the video icon and then you click on new, and then it's going to now give you a plus sign that you need to draw around the space where you want to record. If you want to take a picture, you simply click on the camera icon and then click on this new button, and then you go ahead to just take a screenshot, click on the surface area that you want to take a screenshot of that, and then voila, it takes the screenshot. One thing I love about the sniping tool is that number one, it's free, of course. Number two, it's easy to use. Number three, it gets an excellent job done. Like, it gets the job done. When I mean excellently, I mean excellently. You don't need to pay for it. It's free. So if you have been looking for a screen recorder as a tech professional, or just someone who creates YouTube videos, or someone who teaches, this is one of those tools that you need to add to your toolbox as a tech person, or just as someone who uses their laptops every day and have been looking for a good screen recorder. So I know you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, and just subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye. So when you're done, you click on the stop recording and it stops recording. You can also give it a pause. Yes. Bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.